Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to save your Word document and convert them to a PDF file. Alright, so as you can see here, we already have an open document, this is our sample. If you want to convert this to a PDF file, just go ahead and scroll to your top left screen, and you can see that there's a file tab here. Just click on that and click Save As. Alright, just choose where you want to save this. So I'm going to put this onto my documents. Just click that one. And as you can see, there's something here that says Save As Type. Just go ahead and click that one and scroll down until you see the option for PDF. Alright, and don't forget to name your document. And for this one, I'm just going to name it Sample Document. Just click Save. Or you can either open file after publishing so you could check it. Let's do that one. Alright, so as you can see, it has already been saved as a PDF. Alright, so that's how we convert a Word document to a PDF file.